Okay, so this is video number 2 on my 30-day challenge. I'm sharing how my SCFS will affect me each day, different things that I'm doing. I will show different places in the office, while I'm resting and packing. So I got here at 7 o'clock in the morning. Nope, 7:30. And I'm very tired. It's close to 2 o'clock. I've had my lunch. And this is my third break I think I've had today. So now Martium is able to start hearing me speak incorrectly, which is my assistant, and not being able to think straight. So that's partway through the day. Sorry that it's dark. It's actually 1:37. And now I'm going to close my eyes for 15 or 20 minutes. I just woke up from my nap, having a hard time to keep my eyes open. This happened to me a couple weeks ago at the doctor's office where I can't, something, I can't remember. But anyhow. So I took an Uber home from work, even though I'm only like 7 blocks. I could have walked, but I used to walk, but my chronic fatigue has gotten too bad that I can't walk. So, anyhow, I am now home. I'm going to go lay down for a little bit. So as you can see, this day, my work day, I get lots of calls and emails and texts and everything at the same time. So it makes me very tired. Okay, so this is, I don't even know what time it is, like 4:30, maybe? This is day 2 of my 30-day challenge uploads. When I work, I think what's happening, sorry, my puppy's here. Say hi, Joey. Say hi. I think what happens is, like, mental exhaustion is first before physical exhaustion for me. And but anyhow, I don't know. You can see my eyes, they're very small. Throughout the day, there's different times where I have, my ears are buzzing, like I can hear my heart, I guess, like beating, pulsing. My heart will race. I just feel exhausted. My eyes get small when I have this. So yeah, so working, I couldn't even make it. I could make it today until maybe 1 o'clock, and then I was just done. I did have makeup on this morning at work, but I rub my eyes and I do all that. My shampoo that I'm using is not working. I gotta find different shampoo. I have to have a haircut also. But anyhow, so I just wanted to do a shout out for a few people. I don't know if I ever did a shout out for Silver and Solo. She was the first one, as she has, many of us, been the first one that encouraged me to get back onto YouTube. He keeps looking at my book. And she was a big encouragement and still is. She's growing so quickly and has a lot of good stuff to say. Another one is Jen Gold, Beautiful Life Sage. She was a very huge encouragement to get going and to just share her life. Another one is Tina H. Beautiful Journey. Her channel is about her makeup and beauty and all that kind of stuff. And another one is, I'm going to do 4, I believe, each time that I do a video. And so if you're not on this shout out, you'll be on another one if I follow you and if we converse quite a bit. And another one, and I found this one on Jen Gold's channel, which is Life in the Wild West. So those four, I really enjoy their channels. I enjoy listening to them. They're all over 40. So anywhere between 40s and 60s. And I just really appreciate it. Now, today I couldn't pack. Can't really do any housework. I'm not going to be cooking supper. I can't do a lot of anything because I feel horrible. So this is the life of somebody who has CFS or ME. Some people cannot get out of bed, and I've had those days where I've been in bed for 2 or 3 days, and but other people it's longer. We're all different, kind of like any chronic illness or any illness at all, is we don't have the exact same syndromes. Some are worse, some are better. I don't know, better is the word, but can function more, maybe is the word. Excuse me, sorry. I cannot. Yeah. I have a really hard time having the lights on right now, but I have to have them on so that you can see me. Yeah, I've had this on in a few of my videos. It keeps me warm. My temperature, another symptom, yeah, for a CFS or ME is being cold. And I'm that a lot. And just wanting to rest and not being able to do anything else, just resting is basically what we go through. But hey, I really appreciate you all being here, and I'm trying so hard to be able to smile. It's not easy when you feel like you have no energy. So I do really appreciate you all. I love you all, and I will see you at the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.